Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Git Stash temporarily shelves uncommitted changes so you can switch branches without losing work. Use Stash when you need a clean working tree but are not ready to commit. It saves both modified tracked files and staged changes. A stash records the working tree and the index, letting you restore them later with exact state. Stash entries are stored in a stack and referenced by names like stash at 0 and descriptive messages. Stashing is local to your repository and does not affect remote branches or commit. Use git stash push m message to save changes with a clear description and make later retrieval easier. If you need to include untracked files, add u. If you want to keep staged changes while stashing modified files, use keep index. You can also use git stash save message in older Git versions, but push is the current recommended form. Stash names and messages make it easier to find entries among multiple stashes, and you can create multiple distinct stashes for different tasks in one branch. Use git stash apply stash at 0 or git stash pop to restore changes, with pop also removing the stash from the stack. If a stash conflicts with the current files, resolve conflicts like a normal merge, and then git add and commit the results. Create a branch from a stash via git stash branch name stash at10 to isolate work and commit it cleanly. List stashes with git stash list and remove them with git stash drop or git stash clear to keep the stash stack manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.